Imagine a computer so small it fits in the palm of your hand, yet powerful enough to rival machines that cost thousands. For years, the Mac Mini was the safe choice. Reliable, compact, and affordable, but never something that truly excited people. It was the computer you recommended, not the one you dreamed about. That changes now. The upcoming M5 Mac Mini isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete shift in what a small desktop can be. This is Apple turning a basic machine into something that can challenge professional workstations. At the center of this transformation is the new M5 chip. Built on an advanced 3nm process, this chip is all about efficiency and raw power working together. Think of it like fitting an entire city into the space of a small town, more performance, less energy, and almost no wasted heat. And that efficiency unlocks something incredible. A tiny computer that stays completely silent. No loud fans. No overheating. Just consistent, sustained performance whether you're editing videos, writing code, or running demanding creative tools. But the real leap isn't just speed, it's intelligence. Apple is designing this machine for a future where AI isn't something you access in the cloud, it's something that runs directly on your desk. The M5 is expected to dramatically boost AI processing, making tasks like video upscaling, image generation, and real-time assistance faster and more private. Your data doesn't need to leave your machine, it stays with you. That's a huge shift in how we think about computing. Now let's talk graphics, because this is where things get serious. The new GPU inside the M5 Mac Mini is expected to deliver massive improvements, including better ray tracing and AI acceleration. In simple terms, that means more realistic lighting, smoother performance, and the ability to handle workloads that used to require massive, expensive graphics cards. This is the kind of power that makes creators pay attention. Video editors, designers, developers. People who once needed bulky, high-end systems might suddenly find everything they need in a box that fits on their desk. And Apple isn't stopping there. Storage speeds are expected to jump significantly, with ultra-fast SSDs that can move massive files in seconds. Combine that with up to 64 GB of unified memory on higher-end models, and you're looking at a machine that doesn't just keep up, it stays ahead. Even connectivity is getting a major upgrade. With support for next-gen wireless standards and Thunderbolt 5, this tiny desktop could handle multiple high-resolution displays, high-speed storage, and pro-level accessories all at once. It's no longer just a small computer. It's a full workstation hub. Now, here's the part that might surprise you. Despite all these upgrades, the starting price is rumored to land around $699. Yes, that's higher than before, but there's a catch. Apple is expected to finally ditch the old 256 GB base storage and start at 512 GB instead. That alone makes the entry model far more practical for real-world use. So you're not just paying more, you're getting a system that actually feels complete from day one. And that's the bigger story here. Apple is removing the limitations that used to push people toward more expensive machines. They are bringing high-end capabilities down to a much more accessible level. Which raises an interesting question. If a Mac Mini can do almost everything a professional desktop can do, what happens to the rest of the lineup? Because this isn't just about one product. It's about redefining expectations. What a small computer should be. What a budget machine should deliver. And how much power people can have sitting quietly on their desk. The M5 Mac Mini isn't just another release. It's a signal that the future of computing isn't bigger, louder, or more expensive. It's smaller, smarter, and more powerful than ever before.